Under the shade of a big gum tree, Bindi sat with her little brother Cohen and their friend Kylie. "I'll tell the first story," Bindi announced, gathering a handful of smooth leaves from the ground. She carefully selected 8 perfect ones and laid them in a line. 8 kangaroos were hopping across the desert, she began, touching each leaf as she counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 kangaroos found a waterhole and stopped to drink. Bindi moved 3 leaves to the side. How many kept hopping? Cohen counted the remaining leaves, touching each one with his finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kangaroos kept going. That's right, Bindi smiled. There were 8 kangaroos, 3 stopped, and 5 kept hopping. Now it's Kylie's turn, Bindi said. Kylie gathered 6 leaves and arranged them carefully. 6 emus were walking in a line, looking for seeds to eat. She tapped each leaf. 1 mother and 5 babies. Then they met 2 more emus from another family. She placed 2 more leaves with the group. Now, how many emus altogether? Cohen counted all the leaves together, his finger moving from one to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 emus now. Yes, Kylie said. 6 emus plus 2 emus equals 8 emus. Cohen bounced excitedly. My turn! My turn! Cohen collected 5 leaves, laying them out on the ground. 5 snakes were sleeping in the sun. He counted them proudly. Then 4 more snakes came to sleep too. He added 4 more leaves. How many snakes are sleeping now? Bindi and Kylie counted together, pointing at each leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snakes! That's right! Cohen clapped his hands. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now something happens to your snakes, Bindi prompted, encouraging him to continue the story. Cohen thought for a moment before saying. Then a big storm came. 6 snakes slithered away to find shelter. He carefully moved 6 leaves away from the group. How many stayed sleeping? This time, Kylie counted the remaining leaves. 3 snakes stayed. 9 minus 6 equals 3. The game continued. Bindi told a story about 12 birds sitting in a tree. 5 flew away, leaving only 7. Kylie told one about 3 dingoes, who met 4 more dingoes by a creek, making 7 altogether. Cohen created a tale about 10 wild berries. His family picked 7, leaving 3 growing on the bush. Each story came alive through the leaves, with animals gathering and separating, plants growing and harvesting, families coming together and leaving, all showing addition and subtraction. An elder walking by paused to watch them play. Good stories, she said with a warm smile. The leaves help us see the numbers, and the numbers help us tell the stories of everything around us. As the sun began to set, Cohen gathered all the leaves. Bindi, how many leaves do we have all together now? They counted together, touching each leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 leaves altogether. Tomorrow we can make even bigger stories, Kylie said. With more adding and taking away, Cohen added excitedly. Bindi carefully arranged the leaves in a pile. Same tree, same time tomorrow? Kylie asked. Yes, Bindi agreed, and I already know what my story will be about. What? Cohen asked eagerly. You'll have to wait and see, she said with a mysterious smile, but bring plenty of leaves. It's going to be a big story with lots of counting. They walked home together as the first stars appeared, their minds already creating tomorrow's stories. Stories of the desert, the animals, the plants, and the numbers that connected everything. Can you find some leaves and create a story of your very own?